share, subscribe. Your subscription helps this channel. Appreciate it. Yeah, what's going on, my people? What's going on? Like, share, subscribe, worldwide love. This is me right here. In this video right here, we're going to go to Aggregates. It's a place that sells household furniture and stuff. So I'm just going to price out some things that I like, some things I'm going to buy. I like to make my place look nice. I like one of my favorite magazines is Better Homes and Gardens, Trends, things like that. I'm into that. So here we go. pizza from this pizza spot right here. They got good pizza, but normally they only have pies. Sometimes they have slices, sometimes they don't. Come on, asshole. You go.
Thank you, man.
So she told me in 7 minutes my slice will be ready. I'm right out here, right next to A&R. Probably go in there and see what they have. Yeah. Just doing a little vlog out here in Belmopan, you know. Trying to take it easy on a rainy day. Lord knows this place needs rain. It's been so dry, so hot, humid. So the little rain they get, the best it'll be. Again, when you're out here, you come right here. This is one of the best pizza stores they have in Belmopan. This right here is how the pizza look. $2 for delivery, open daily. Right beside A&R, like I told you. Delicious. Like, share, subscribe. Your subscription helps this channel. Appreciate it.